Every night, while the world sleeps, your body is given a miraculous opportunity, one that can either transform your physical strength or silently allow it to waste away. The choice between growth and decline begins with what you eat before bed. Science has proven this. Your muscles, your brain, your recovery all depend on the fuel you provide them before you shut your eyes. Imagine this one simple change, one powerful habit could flood your system with the very building blocks of muscle repair, mental clarity, and deep, rejuvenating rest. You are not just eating for flavor, you are eating for transformation. And tonight could be the turning point you never saw coming. This is not another fitness myth or late-night fad. This is backed by neuroscience. What you eat before bed sets off a biological chain reaction that determines how deeply you sleep and how effectively your muscles rebuild. If you care about performance, energy, and long-term strength, then stay with me, because what you are about to discover could change your body forever. Welcome to this life-changing journey where science meets action and your sleep becomes your secret weapon. In this video, we are diving deep into the neuroscience of sleep and muscle growth, revealing the exact nighttime foods and nutrients that can supercharge your recovery and amplify your gains. No guesswork, just clear evidence-based guidance that works. Dr. Andrew Huberman, a leading neuroscientist from Stanford University, has emphasized the importance of pre-sleep nutrition. His insights reveal a critical truth: sleep is not just about shutting down, it is about building up, and the food you eat before bed determines whether that process will be optimal or sabotaged. This is not just about looking good. It is about building resilience, increasing focus, and waking up each morning feeling recharged and ready to conquer. So, if you are tired of restless nights, slow recovery, or just want to unlock your full potential, this video is your blueprint. Why melatonin is more than a sleep hormone. Melatonin is often labeled as the sleep hormone, but its role goes far beyond putting you to sleep. It acts as a master switch for your body's nighttime recovery. Once released, it sends a signal to the brain and body that it is time to repair, detoxify, and regenerate cells, especially muscle cells damaged during the day. Recent studies reveal that melatonin also serves as a potent antioxidant. It neutralizes harmful free radicals, protecting your muscles and organs from oxidative stress. This means melatonin not only helps you fall asleep faster, but also ensures your body performs vital repairs that improve strength and endurance. When you think of muscle growth, you might picture protein shakes and workouts. But melatonin is the silent hero working behind the scenes. If you want to amplify muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and increase mitochondrial health, then optimizing melatonin should be your top priority. What really happens to muscles during sleep? While you sleep, your muscles do not rest. They rebuild. Deep sleep is when your body releases growth hormone in its highest concentrations from your kitchen. This hormone triggers protein synthesis, a process that repairs and strengthens muscle fibers broken down during exercise or stress. It is during the slow wave state that your muscles receive the bulk of their restoration. Blood flow to muscles increases, tissues regenerate, and your nervous system recalibrates for better coordination and strength the next day. Without this stage, your hard work in the gym does not pay off. Your kitchen, sleep is not just recovery. It is construction. You are literally building a stronger version of yourself while you dream. That is why the hours before bed and the nutrients you consume are critical. They determine whether your sleep will be shallow and ineffective or deep and powerfully anabolic. The 881 food that boosts natural melatonin among all natural foods, Tart cherries, have been found to contain one of the highest concentrations of natural melatonin. These vibrant fruits are not only rich in melatonin, but also help your body produce more of it naturally. This makes them a powerful, science-backed food to eat before bed. Drinking tart cherry juice or eating tart cherries 30 to 60 minutes before sleep has been shown to improve sleep duration and efficiency. In a study published in the European Journal of Nutrition, subjects who consumed Tart cherry juice experienced significantly improved melatonin levels and sleep quality. Tart cherries do more than help you sleep. They also reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. If you are training hard or recovering from physical stress from your kitchen, adding this single food to your nighttime routine could be the missing link between poor recovery and peak performance. How the brain converts tryptophan to melatonin. Your brain produces melatonin from an essential amino acid called tryptophan from your kitchen. This conversion process begins when tryptophan crosses the blood-brain barrier and gets transformed into serotonin. As night falls, serotonin is then converted into melatonin through a cascade of enzymatic steps. This process is heavily influenced by what you eat. Foods rich in tryptophan like turkey, oats, bananas, and seeds provide the raw material your body needs. Without enough tryptophan, your brain struggles to generate adequate melatonin, leading to disrupted sleep and impaired recovery. Supporting this pathway means you are not relying on external melatonin supplements. Instead, you are training your body to naturally produce what it needs. By giving your brain the nutrients it recognizes, you are aligning with its natural chemistry and reinforcing deep, restorative sleep. Two surprising fruits that improve sleep quality beyond tart cherries. Kiwi and pineapple are two surprising fruits shown to enhance sleep quality. From your kitchen, kiwis are rich in antioxidants and serotonin precursors, which help regulate sleep cycles. Pineapple, on the other hand, boosts melatonin production and supports digestion, two important factors for restful sleep. In one study, participants who ate 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime fell asleep faster. From your kitchen, stayed asleep longer, and experienced more restorative sleep. This is due to the presence of serotonin and antioxidants that protect brain cells and support neurotransmitter balance. Pineapple contains high levels of bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and aids in muscle recovery. When consumed before bed, it supports digestion, minimizes overnight bloating, and increases melatonin levels, helping your body enter a deep, uninterrupted state of repair. Magnesium's role in relaxation and regeneration. Magnesium is a mineral that the body requires for more than 300 enzymatic functions, many of which are directly involved in muscle relaxation, nervous system regulation, and sleep. It calms the brain by binding to GABA receptors, helping to reduce anxiety and promote deep rest. Low levels of magnesium are associated with restless sleep, frequent nighttime awakenings, and impaired recovery. Foods like almonds, pumpkin seeds, and leafy greens provide natural sources of magnesium that help reset your nervous system before sleep. When your magnesium levels are optimal, your muscles are able to relax fully, your heartbeat stabilizes, and your brain waves shift into a slower, more peaceful rhythm. This mineral acts as your body's internal switch from stress to serenity, allowing true overnight regeneration to occur. Collagen and glycine for overnight recovery. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, and it plays a major role in muscle and joint repair. When consumed before bed, collagen peptides supply your system with amino acids like glycine and proline that support tissue healing during deep sleep. Glycine in particular has been shown to lower core body temperature, a critical factor for falling asleep quickly and staying asleep longer. It also improves sleep quality by enhancing REM sleep and reducing fatigue the next day. Adding a scoop of collagen powder to warm tea or mixing it with almond milk before bed is a simple ritual that delivers powerful results. Not only are you feeding your muscles with the exact building blocks they need, but you're also calming your nervous system for a better night's sleep. Nighttime protocol for maximum muscle repair. Here is your step-by-step nighttime protocol. 1 hour before bed, consume a small meal that includes tryptophan, rich protein, from your kitchen, complex carbohydrates, and a source of magnesium. For example, try a bowl of oatmeal with banana slices, pumpkin seeds, and a scoop of collagen powder. And add a glass of tart cherry juice or a handful of dried tart cherries to this routine. Include a serving of kiwi or pineapple if you want to enhance digestion and further support melatonin production. These foods work synergistically to optimize sleep and muscle repair. Finally, dim the lights, reduce screen time, and allow your body to ease into rest mode. Sleep in a cool, dark environment and make this protocol a nightly habit. You will not only wake up stronger, you will wake up transformed. You are more powerful than you realize. Every decision you make, especially the ones no one sees, like what you eat before bed, shapes your future. You are not just building muscle. You are a kitchen. You are building resilience, discipline, and self-respect. There will always be shortcuts and noise, but from your kitchen. But when you align your habits with neuroscience and commit to fueling your body intelligently, you unlock a version of yourself that is unstoppable. You begin to feel the difference in your energy, your focus, your strength, and others will see it too. This is your edge. This is your moment. You are not just going to sleep tonight. You are entering a chamber of growth, recovery, and potential. Trust the science self. And remember, the greatest transformations often begin in silence, in darkness, and in the stillness of night. Now it is your turn. Starting tonight, try the nighttime protocol. Include Tart cherries, magnesium-rich foods, collagen, and vitamin B6 in your final meal. Make it a ritual, not a task. Treat your body like the high-performing machine it was designed to be. If you found this video valuable, share it with someone who deserves better sleep and stronger recovery. From your kitchen, leave a comment below about part of this protocol you are most excited to try. Let us build a community where we grow stronger together, one night at a time. And do not forget to subscribe for more neuroscience-based strategies to elevate your health, mindset, and performance. Your journey is just beginning, but from your kitchen. The night is not the end of your day. It is the beginning of your transformation.